Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. This is our Zettelkasten week, and I can't wait to share my prompt with you for our Zettelkasten week. But it's not my turn yet. We're going to let Victoria start us off with our Monday compass. Victoria?
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Zettelkasten week. Of course, every week we say it's our favorite week, but this week, this is my favorite week because I'm going to answer the question. Now that you've created all of these character cards that we've been talking about, what do you do with them? How do you incorporate that stuff into your box and make it make any kind of sense? We'll come back tomorrow because we're going to walk through that, and I'm going to give you 3 different ways that you can incorporate all of that character stuff into your note box so that you can find it and you can get your writing done. So no spoilers today, but tomorrow we'll dive into it. So I'll send it to Kathleen.
Okay, Victoria. Oh, this is going to be great. You're going to be showing everyone what to do with the cards, and I'm going to be making them create some. So we should dovetail quite well, because tomorrow we're going to talk about how you can start creating a collection of meekness cards and what you might want to collect on them and what kind of variety of meekness cards you might want to collect. So again, I won't spoil things either. So just be on the lookout for, get your pen and your cards ready because we're going to do some meekness cards. See you tomorrow.